So today we're going to talk about why real estate is the best investment over stocks, bonds, CDs, savings accounts, checkings, everything else, all above, and saving cash. Best investment. Let's talk about it. The number one reason why is because appreciation. It never goes down unless you're like breaking walls and stuff. But generally speaking, real estate goes up over time just because the amount of space on this earth is limited. So, you know, over time it just goes up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And on the bright side, you pay yourself. If you own it, you eventually own that piece of property, build equity, you build your credit, and you live in it. Like this, I'm living in this right now. I pay myself every month. It's kind of cool in a weird way. Anyways, it never goes down in value. You're gonna win regardless. And then if you put some money into it, like remodeling, like I did, and yeah, don't ask why a chair's there, and you know, getting a dog and stuff. But seriously though, putting money into a property, you end up getting it back in the long run, which is really cool because you get to live in a really nice place, have some cool paintings, and call it a day. Another reason why real estate's really important, or why it's really worth it, is that because when you put your money in a CD, you can't touch it. Yes, when you put your money in real estate, you can't touch it. However, you can refinance and or sell it and get that money, which you make off the equity, and make money off of it. You won't go wrong with losing in real estate. As you can tell, millionaires and all that stuff, they all have the real estate. I just ate like dinner and stuff, but just wanted to get this video out because it's really important, because a lot of people I see a lot of my friends with a lot of money saved up and they don't know what to put it in, and for a while I was jumping around in stocks and stuff like that, and I made money and lost money, but this is something that I sleep well at night with, knowing that it's mine, that it's going to grow over time, and that no one can really take it from me unless I do something stupid. But in reality, it's a win-win scenario. I put money into it, I paid for it, and when I sell it or rent it out or refinance, it's nothing is lost. I mean, so it's really an important investment tool that I recommend to my friends and family and everybody else out there, because I want to see them succeed as well. I want to see you win too. But stocks are cool, but they take so long, and the dividends are not that much unless you put like a lot of money up front. Amazon, for example, if you buy an Amazon stock, you're not getting that money until you sell it. There's no dividends. But the stocks that have dividends, like Comcast, for example, you got to put like $30, $50, $100,000 to start seeing, you know, a couple $100 a month, as opposed to living in a rental unit like this, or renting this out. I can rent this out right now and make $200, $300 a month. They'll pay my mortgage and pay me extra, so I can buy like, I don't know, whatever I want. But you get the point. Real estate's a really good tool to make yourself financially stable for your future, your kids, your family, and all that above, because you just can't go wrong. Seriously, you just can't go wrong. You're probably gonna laugh at that one, but, and plus you get to have your dog here. Right, Taz? Say hi. He agrees. So YouTube, at the end of the day, I like to see everybody get into the real estate game. I know it's hard. I know it takes a lot of time, patience, and persistence, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. Save your money, work with a partner, friends, family. It's possible. People do it. You just got to get creative. And at the end of the day, you're going to be happy with your decision, whether you end up getting an apartment, condo, house, whatever the case may be. Always do your research. Don't listen to everyone on YouTube. Do your own due diligence. Own, not me, you or anyone else. Figure it out for yourself, because everyone has their own personal take on it. This is mine, and I want you to figure out yours. Until next time, see you then.